Hello everybody, we are starting up Unit 6 today, and we're going to be doing Lesson 1. So it's Lesson 6.1, and we're going to be getting back into word problems. It's going to be basically this whole unit, lots and lots of really fun word problems. So let's just start by reading our goal together. We're going to be reading at I can add, so read it with me. Are you ready? I can add and subtract using multiple strategies and models to identify, create, and solve multi-step word problems using multiple strategies and models. Big, long goal. So let's break it down here. So multiple means many. Strategies means methods or ways. So we're going to be using lots of different kinds of ways or methods or strategies, and models, pictures. I could also say proof drawings too. Pictures, proof drawings. We're going to be doing a lot of different kinds of things to help with this. To identify, and identify means to figure out, create, and solve multi-step word problems. Remember, multi-step means more than one. In using lots of different strategies and models. So again, multiple meaning many. So we're going to get a chance to do could really use a lot of different strategies to solve these, just like anytime we've ever done any of our multi-step problems. We're going to get into it here. Before we get into those word problems, though, we are going to be looking at just math mountains and equations. This is going to help us, kind of see the similarities, the differences, but also really the connections between addition and subtraction. So if you haven't got this page off of Schoology yet, go to open up page 389 in Schoology, send it to Notability. I'll pause here. And up at the very top, as we kind of get into this next unit, remember, as you're watching this video, you can watch this whole first part of the video and then do the sheet, or you can watch a little bit of the video, stop it, work on the sheet a little bit, go back and watch a little bit more of the video, work on the sheet a little bit, whatever's going to be best for you. But again, the videos are broken up into parts for each sheet. So we'll go through this whole, I'll kind of go through this whole sheet. I'll have you do then I'll stop, you'll do some work, and we'll come back and check it, then we'll go to the next one. But do whatever's going to be best for you. But starting at the top in the kind of that orangish writing, it says Math Mountains and Equations, complete. Look at the math mountain in the 8 equations. What relationships do you see? In each equation, label each number as an addend or a total. And so this is going to be really, really helpful as we get into the multi-step or single step or multi-step. The ability to be able to figure out, okay, which ones are the addends. We have also called those parts. That's a part and that's a part. And when you're doing addition, you put the 2 parts together to get that sum or total. But you can also call it addend. An addend plus an addend equals your total or your sum. And you call this a math mountain because it kind of looks like a mountain. Addend and addend, put them together, you get to that total up at the peak. Total or sum. Okay, so we're just going to look at these here. Now when I'm looking at this first one, well, I know that 70 is just an addend, and 40 is just an addend, and my 110 is a total. Okay, cool. When I look down here, so I'm going to have you do these 3 by yourself. Then, if I look down here at the subtraction one, this one says 40 equals 110 minus 70. Well, I still know that my total is this. My total, if I take away 70 from my total, one of the addends still, then I have 40 left, which is one of the other addends. So you are going to do the rest of those. You're just going to either addend or total for that. Then, down below for number 2, write the 8 equations for this math mountain. Label each number as the total T or the addend A. So you're going to be basically kind of doing the same thing again. I'll just show you how it works. So just remember this math mountain. Well, I take a look at it like 80 and 60. Well, I know that 80 plus 60 equals 140. below it, I'll write, well, 80 is an addend, 60 is an addend, and 140 is my total. Okay, so I have to do 3 more plus, and then we'll be doing 4 minus. Well, I could start off with 140 minus 80 equals 60. Okay, so it's my total. That's an addend, and that's an addend. And I have to do 3 more minus problems. Now, you can use up above some of those problems up here to help you kind of figure out what are the other ones that you are missing. So I'm going to stop the video here. You'll work on this page, 430.89, and then you can watch the next video to come and check your work. Have fun.